Dual power by Power Plus, the 40 volt leaf blower. It's such a versatile, easy to use product, very lightweight. It is a 100 decibel motor, very quiet, easy just to pop in the tube. There we go. Clip it in. 40 volt battery. This is the 40 volt leaf blower. You also get this in a 20 volt and one battery platform, so you can use this battery across all the garden tools as well as the power tools. The lovely thing about this is simple to operate. It has your trigger for the motor. It's got a lock switch to keep that in. There we go. And then a turbo button. And that gives you a maximum wind speed of 185 kilometers per hour. Very powerful motor. Like I said, very easy to use, lightweight, and let's give it a go.